Good day guys, I am Hasan Shakur and I am from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And friends, first we draw this circle which have the diameter of 24 units. 24 units. Now we draw the outer circle with the diameter of 42 units. Type C for circle, pick a point, type D for diameter and give the value 42 units like this, and we draw a line here like this, and we change the layer with the line type scale. Now we give the offset 15 units and we draw the offset of 3 units on both sides. Like this. Now we draw a line like this and trim the circle like this. So in this way we make this shape. Now we delete the line like this. Now we draw the line 80 units and we give the length 80 units like this. Now we give the offset 24 units like this and draw a line. From the center point we give the offset 2 units on both sides like this. Now we give the offset of 55 units from this point to this point, and here we draw a circle with the diameter of 12 units. Type C for circle and give the diameter 12 units. With the TR double enter we trim this line and circle. Now we give the offset 40 units like this and trim it. And delete it, and we delete this line and change this layer like this. So guys, in this way we make our shape. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment or you can contact me on WhatsApp. And guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.